This is Hardinerang Nanay signing in. This is my first video and this will be the first plant that I'm going to feature. It is called the flapjack, red pancake, or Kalanchoe Thyrsiflora. Oh, by the way, before we proceed, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, so as you can see, the soil mix that I made is out of a pumice, ordinary soil, and a compost. So actually, this plant is already inside the greenhouse, kaya nabawasan na po yung red tips niya. So ayan, ito gustong-gusto niya sa summer paglabas mo siya, mamula-mula siya Ayan. This is actually my second flapjack because my first flapjack namatay siya Excited ako noon hindi ako marunong noon. So, dilig lang ako ng dilig halos twice a week. So namatay siya. This is actually prone to rot or madaling mabulok yung roots niya. So luckily this plant is already inside the greenhouse now because it is rainy season. Ayan, pwede naman po sa mga walang greenhouse pa nasa terrace siya o tsaka sa loob ng bahay near the window sill. Pero pag wala na yung tag-ulan, pwede nyo na po silang ilabas. Okay po? Ayan. And actually, yun, may anak to Yan. Yan, may anak siya. So, how to propagate? Okay. Kanina kasi, mayroon tayo naputol dito Ito na yung apo. Yan. So, this one, pwede na siyang, air dry for 3 days before natin siya itusok sa soil. Yan. For me, ang ginagawa ko sa propagation, binabasa ko muna yung soil bago ko siya itusok. So, I don't worry about it because 3 days na siyang, 3 days na siyang air dry. For some, may nilalagyan pa siya ng cinnamon powder. For me, just air dry and then tusok na sa lupa. Pero for some, the soil should be dry like that. Parang ito, dry. And then, after 3 to 5 days, saka nila didiligan yung newly tusok na na pop. Okay? So, that's it. Okay. That's it. So, this one, once a week lang yung dilig. Pero ngayong rainy season, especially pag monsoon rains and, laging umuulan, twice a month lang po ang dilig. Okay, that's what I do. I'm located in Baguio City, so laging may monsoon rains during months of July, August, hanggang October yan. So, well, ganun talaga. Hindi natin mapigilan yung ulan. Okay? Yung puti-puti niya, that's what we call farina. So, lagi kasing natatouch yan. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyan. Pero actually, pag hinahayaan lang siya, mas maraming puti-puti. So, don't worry about it. It's natural. It's called farina. Okay? Thank you for watching my video, my first video ever. So, from now on, we're going to share ideas and tips based on my experiences in planting succulents, grafted cacti, other ornamentals like begonias, because I also collect begonias, and vegetables too. This COVID-19 made me a vegetable farmer. Okay, it's homegrown, it's organic, and soon in my upcoming videos, it will be more on tips on how we do gardening. Okay, also for my next video, I gonna be featuring the lovely rose. Okay, care tips and propagation techniques. Okay, and then more of my plants here. Okay? Okay. This is Hardinerang Nanay signing off. Maraming salamat po.